Hi guys. So the number one question I've received is about number 5. So I wanted to go over it with you and show you exactly what you would consider. So first and foremost, it's super important for you to remember that it's asking about gametes, and gametes is talking about the sex cells. Remember ovaries and sperm, and remember we've discussed how every cell in your body has 23 pairs of chromosomes, one from mom and one from dad, except for your sex cells. So women have ovaries and males have sperm, and in each of those eggs and sperm, you're going to find only one half. So because when they fertilize, you're going to get the two pairs. So when they tell you that mother gave the child a little a, big B, little c, big D, and father gave the big A, little b, big C, and little d, you have to then decide, okay, so those are her alleles. So we have 4 pairs of alleles right here. So work out the idea that big B and little b, big A and little a, little c, big C, and of course I run out of room while I'm screen recording, so I'm just going to pick them all and move them. And then we have big D and little d. Okay, so remember, it's asking you which of those combinations could possibly be present in her gametes. So if these are 4 genotypes, I can only have 50%. I can only have one of each. Okay, so 50%. So let's see, big A, big B, big C, big D. Well, those are all 50%. So if I took a line over here and I drew a line in between them, that indeed would actually be 50%, correct? So looking at that line, this would be 50%. Little a, little b, little c, little d, well, that too is 50%. Now, when we go to look at big A, big B, big C, big D, and then another big D, well, she doesn't have 2 big Ds. So this could not be a possible combination because she doesn't carry 2 Ds, and she would have to actually have another genotype, and that's not what they've been presented with. The same thing happens when we look at little a, big B, little c, little c. Again, they're putting 2 little c's in a gamete, and she does not have 2 little c's in this problem to donate 50% of. Now, big A, big B, little c, little d, well, technically, I could have a big A, big B, little c, little d. So again, I would have that 50% combo. Okay, but then again, when I come back over here, big A, big B, little c, I do not have 50%. That's taking the entire genotype. So the only options that you should have seen were the 50% option. So this would be a 50% option. And of course, this would be a 50% option. This one would be a 50%. This would be a guaranteed combination. And then remember we said that those 2 B's are not going to, no, sorry, I'm so sorry. Those 2 big D's would not be a possibility because that's not 50%. Those little C's would not be a possibility because they're not 50%. But the big A, big B, little c, little d, that would indeed be 50%. And then that big A, little a, they can't share. That's a 50%. She would be giving 100%. So that will not work either. So I hope that helps you understand.